prime ribeye on a big green egg.
Here it is, USDA Prime Plus. A little olive oil, flip it over, a little more olive oil, rub it in a little, flip it, some salt, pepper, same thing on the other side, salt, pepper, and that's ready to go on the grill. Salt, pepper, pepper, and that's ready to go on the grill. Okay, 600 plus degrees. On it goes, on the direct side of the grill. 45 seconds, rotate it. 45 seconds, flip it. 45 seconds, rotate it. 45 seconds, move it to the indirect side of the grill. Close the top. It's gonna smoke like crazy. And close the bottom. When you see 130 degrees, it's done. 129. That's good enough for me. She's done. Pull it, put it in foil, and add a big dollop of butter.
Okay, here we go.
There she is.
Perfect. See you next time.